Welcome back to Stoic Crypto. Today we're going to take a closer look at Kame Aggregator, a high-performance DEX aggregator on Sei. We'll talk about what makes it unique. We'll go through the process of making some swaps to test it out, and then I'll show you some ways to earn points and climb their leaderboard. Before I begin, please note nothing I say is financial advice. It's for education and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. So before we dive in and start testing this out, let's take a quick look at their docs. Kame is a DeFi protocol that aggregates liquidity sources into one comprehensive interface and API. For any trade, Kame checks the rates on all supported liquidity sources on Sei Network and implements further optimization to get the best possible rate. It abstracts most of the swap complexity to make trades convenient and accessible for end users in one click. Taking a quick look at their X profile, high performance DEX aggregator on Sei. If we scroll down a little bit, you can see they've partnered with some of the top meme coin projects in the Sei ecosystem that we talked about in our last video, such as MILLI, Frog, Popo, and others. Looks like they currently have a giveaway going on, 2 million MILLI up for grabs. So it's good to see them collaborating with top Sei ecosystem meme projects like MILLI. I want to quickly refer to this post by Guardian that Kame Aggregator retweeted. He says, one of the things I've learned at DeFi is that where you swap matters just as much as what you swap. When it comes to getting the best deal, deeper liquidity always wins. That's why the latest update from Kame Aggregator on aggregating 12 plus liquidity sources on Sei Network is amazing. So they're pulling from at least 12 different liquidity sources. DragonSwap, I know being one of them, as this is one of the top Sei native DEXs. Guardian's thread goes on to say, what does this mean for you and me? With more liquidity sources plugged in, Kame is now even more powerful and way more precise when it comes to routing our swaps. Here's what we're getting: deeper liquidity, better for big swaps without any crazy slippage, tighter spreads equals less gap between buy-sell prices, more value for your tokens, and then better execution, routes are faster, cleaner, and more optimized. Put simply, Kame is doing the hard work behind the scenes so we don't have to guess. So that's really the big advantage of using a top aggregator like Kame, similar to Jupiter on Solana or 7K aggregator on Sui. It's going to go out and get you the best rates, as it's going to pull from all of the DEXs and liquidity sources within the Sei ecosystem. It could be Yaka Finance, Astroport, DragonSwap, Sushi, or any other DeFi protocol. Kame is checking all of them before routing your trade. More data, more resources, better output. So great thread by Guardian. I'll put the link to this in the description. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at Kame. Get the best price in a blink. I like the UI, it's very clean. Before we connect our wallet and make a swap, let's just go through each section. So leaderboard is interesting. It says power up, enhance strength, speed, and increase the power. From what I understand, you can earn points and climb the leaderboard by simply using the DEX aggregator. The more volume you do, the more swaps you do, the more points that you would earn. And then another way that you can earn points is they have a referral program. So you can go ahead and connect your wallet, create a referral link, and then those referrals would go towards your points. There's been no mention of an airdrop, but you never know. Leaderboards typically hint at some type of incentive for early users. The Sei ecosystem has a history of airdrops. The last one, I believe, was back in the spring of 2024. And that was one of the larger airdrops that I personally ever received, simply by being early and participating in the Sei ecosystem. And so it can never hurt to be an early adopter to a Sei native aggregator like Kame. OpenOcean is another Sei ecosystem DEX aggregator. However, this is multi-chain. I believe Kame is the first Sei native DEX aggregator. So the leaderboard is very interesting. And then trade activity, once we make our first swap, we'll come back here and see what it looks like. Okay, so let's get started by connecting our wallet. And you can see the different options here. We're going to go with Compass wallet and connect. Let's turn that around. We'll swap. I have a little bit of Sei in this wallet. You can see the layout is really clean, easy to navigate. In this example, I'm going to go out to DEX Screener and we're going to open the chart for MILLI, and it's pulled back a little bit from yesterday, not a lot, but we'll go ahead and use this one in the example. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the MILLI address right here, go back to Kame, and then we'll just paste it in right there. There's MILLI, and you can see that I already have some in this wallet. So we're just going to go ahead and add to it. We can adjust our slippage right here. By default, it's set to 1%. If there's a lot of volatility and volume in the token you're trying to trade, there's a chance you might have to raise it, but for now, 1% should be just fine. I'm going to go ahead and say 10 Sei for that much MILLI. If we click right here, it's going to show you the route that it's going to take. So it's going to go through DragonSwap, it looks like. Again, the main point of a DEX aggregator is it's going to go out and find you the best route across all the DEXs in the ecosystem. So DragonSwap looks like it's going to be the route. I'm going to go ahead and say trade now and approve. Swap successful. You can view the transaction. That's going to open up Sei Trace, the Explorer for Sei. You can see success right there. If we click on our wallet address, you can see here is our new MILLI balance. And then if we go to trade activity, you can see the swap we just made now shows up. Again, I like how easy this is to navigate and how clean the interface is. And then you can see our points already showed up just by making that first swap. So pretty interesting. Again, anytime there's a leaderboard points program for a new protocol in a growing ecosystem like Sei, it's something that sparks my interest, as you never know what type of opportunities it could unlock just by using it. So I think Kame Aggregator is a great addition to the Sei ecosystem, especially as we're starting to see increased volume and activity in meme coins like MILLI and Sei. If the Sei meme coin ecosystem continues to gain traction, then I think Kame is well positioned for success. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto content. I'll see you in the next one.